This is a year 1 lesson, and we're going to be focusing on recycling and how the children can understand how to recycle. So we're going to use Keynote to do this, and we're going to use some animations in Keynote. So let's first of all see how you can set this up as a teacher. Now I've got a Keynote here, so let's open my Keynote. Now I've already created this. All I did was I went to the web and I found some images that I needed to use. So I found an image with some bins, and then I've got some rubbish that I could potentially use here, like the can, the newspaper, the batteries, and the milk bottle. So I want to add one more. Now let's do a split screen to do this. Now there's several ways I can do this. I can either use this little button in the corner here, this curved button to split the screen. I'm going to leave that. What I am going to do is I'm going to show you, if we swipe down from the top, we get this menu. If we click window and then go to move and resize, and we're going to put that one to the left like so. Then we're going to bring up Safari. So swipe from the bottom, tap on Safari. I want to do the same for this. Now this is the plastic bag. I found a plastic bag on the internet. Now I'm just going to swipe down again. I'm going to go window, and we can move and resize, and let's go to the right. There we go. These are thumbnails here. All right. So I need to click on the one that I want. So I want this one, and then here in this corner is the bag that I want. Don't use the thumbnail, because if you use the thumbnail, that's a low resolution image. So we keep our finger on it and we drag over to our Keynote and drop, and there it is. Now we can get rid of Safari now, so let's tap on that. We can tap the red X, and Keynote, let's tap on those 3 buttons and press the green one, make it full screen. Now this, you can see, has got a white background. If I hover over the other images there, you can see that white background. We can get rid of that background by tapping on the object, and you can see the dots around the object. Tap on the paintbrush, go to image, and then remove background. And there you can see that background has been removed. We need to press the blue tick, and now we can move that into place. Okay. Let's press the paintbrush again to make it a little bit bigger. Now, there are our items. You can add more if you want to, but I'm going to leave it at that for now. Now, when you start the lesson, I have got a little bit of a hook that the children can use. Now, the link to this is in the description below. So let's play that little hook with our little alien.
Peanut gratchery, zibbukuvo, ra, ribosh, nashna, gla, 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 ru, brra, glibbachu, rapafuna, shripri, zibbukuvo, ra, ribosh, nashna, gla, 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 ru, brra, glibbachu, rapafuna, shripri.
Thanks so much for helping me and sorting out the shapes. From this, I've been able to create a design for my bedroom, but I may have got a little happy with collecting things to decorate my bedroom. With that, I have all of this stuff to bin, but I don't know which bin to put it in. Can you guys help me?
So there is our little hook. All right, the children are going to love that, and you can find the link to that in the description below. What I'm going to do now is show you what you can do now with the lesson. So you need to teach the children this little bit here. We're going to start by thinking, what bins do these items need to go in? So let's start with the blue bag. Now, before we move the bag, we need to record what we're doing. So we're going to tap on the paper clip here. We're going to go to record audio. We're going to press record, and when we've pressed record and finished, we can press stop to stop the recording. Let's press record. This is the blue rubbish bag, plastic bag. We're going to put this in the red bin for plastics. Okay, we can insert that, and let's put that sound file over the plastic bag. Let's tap the plastic bag now. Tap this little arrow. We're going to go down to animate. And then we're going to add an action. We're going to create a path And then we're going to have a bit of fun with this. We're going to put our little bag into the red bin. So here we go. Whee! And then straight into the bin like so. There we go. There it goes. It gives the animation for you. And then we can press done. And then we can press the tick in the corner. Okay, so let's think about the next one. Let's do the newspaper. That's got to go in the paper bin, which is the blue one. So let's say that. So we're going to press the paper clip. We're going to record audio and press record. Don't forget to stop afterwards. This is the newspaper and this is paper and this is going to go in the blue paper bin. Stop. Insert. Let's move that over to the paper. Tap the paper. Tap the arrow. Go to animate. Press add action and we're going to go to create path. And again, we can have some fun. Whee! Straight into the paper bin. Press done when that's done and then the blue tick. Now we've got 2 done. Let's do one more. Let's do the can. Paperclip. Record audio. Record. This is the aluminium can. This is going to go into the yellow bin for aluminium cans. Stop. Insert. And then that goes over there. We tap the can. Tap the arrow. Tap animate. Tap add action. Tap create path and then let's do the path. Whee! Straight into the aluminium can. Press done and then press the tick. Now we've got 2 more to do. I'm going to do these very quickly for you. This is the plastic milk bottle. This is going to go into the red plastics bin. These are batteries and they're going to go into the general waste bin. Okay, there are my 5 items, all being placed in their correct bins. Now, obviously, there could be many more for you if you want to, so that's entirely up to you. Now, to play the presentation, we can press the play button. Now, every time we want something to happen, we need to tap the screen. This is the blue rubbish bag, plastic bag. We're going to put this in the red bin for plastics. So you basically get the idea. That's all working perfectly. Now, when they're done, they need to then hand this in to the teacher. So we're going to put this into Showbie, but it could be Google Classroom, it could be Seesaw, it could be Teams, whatever platform that you're using. We're going to go to this drop-down menu here, and don't forget to rename it. I've called it recycling, so press the rename to recycle it. Then we're going to press export. Then we're going to choose movie. Now, make sure that these 2 go to next slide after and go to next build after. Make sure those are both 0. Change the resolution to 720p. This just makes it a smaller file, so it's easier and quicker to upload. And then you can press export. Okay, once you've got to that point, you can then choose the item you want to share it with. In this case, we're going to share it to Showbie. We can click on Showbie and then you save it and you upload it into the classroom that you have set up for your students for that particular activity. I'm going to cancel that. I'm actually going to save it to my camera photo library. So we're going to save video and that will then be saved in my photo library. That is how we can use Keynote for year 1 so they can understand how to sort different types of rubbish into a recycling bin. Have fun!